By making regular purchases on Mobile Connect, your account will accumulate reward points that are redeemable on the very next invoice. Simply add to cart any products which are part of the loyalty offer and you'll see the estimated points to be received on that order. When your distributor invoices the order, these redeemable reward points get credited to your Mobile Connect account. Simultaneously, you'll be able to see the existing points redeemed on the invoice. For detailed information on all your reward points, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen and then tap on Points Transaction History. This section displays all the past records of your loyalty points transactions, including points credited and redeemed. Below the summary, you will see the Activities section where you can use filter option per your choice to view full details such as date of transaction, order number, invoice number and reason for the points credited or redeemed. To see your loyalty tier, tap again on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen and then tap on My Loyalty. On this screen, you can view loyalty tier perks such as attractive vouchers, increased payouts and so on. Moreover, you will be able to view how much volume is required to be bought to unlock the next loyalty tier. If you have been issued a voucher as a loyalty tier benefit or as part of a promotion, you'll be able to redeem it from My Vouchers section by clicking on the My Profile icon. If the voucher entails reward points, the points will be credited immediately to your account when you click on Redeem. Other vouchers may be eligible for offline fulfillment through your distributor. Remember, you accumulate reward points when you buy products eligible for the loyalty program. And with one reward equal to 1 rupee, you can use your points to cover up to 15% of your invoice value. You can reach out to your DSR or call the customer care number if you have doubts or queries.